Hi, I am Nidhi Virmani and I am the founder of Pratibhalaya, which is an online skill-based academy. When I was under my corporate experience, I was working there, and at that time I felt the need that we have lot of tuition teachers around us, but when it comes to skill development of children, we were not having many options. So from there, Pratibhalaya's journey started up, and we went up to the skill development of adults. So if I say today, along with India, we are present in countries like Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand, Switzerland, and the count is going on. As a part of the Cohort Team 5, I had a very good experience. So it was, if I say, it was a mini MBA for me. It brushed up my skills which was there in corporate, and it bring me back to the business. And the benefit that I got here in the Cohort was like solving all my queries, because somewhere I was clear with the basics, I had queries in advance. And the message that I would like to give to the women is that don't stop, just keep, if you can't run, keep walking, but continue it. Thank you so much.